Hello everyone and welcome back to Chatbit Mom. For today's lesson, I have decided to do a bit of change. In today's lesson, I'm just not going to speak in English but also in Hindi. Because there are so many expressions that you know in Hindi and want to use these expressions in English too, but you don't know how to say these expressions in English. So no worries, I'm always there to help you out in this and I'll always help you. So right, let's get into the video without any delay. Expression number 1 is मेरी बात लिख लो. मेरी बात लिख लो. So in English it is mark my words. Mark my words. Expression number 2, मैं बाद में कर दूंगी. मैं बाद में कर दूंगी. In English it is I'll do it later. I'll do it later. The next one is टालो मत अभी करो. टालो मत अभी करो. This is the most said expression by the parents. टालो मत अभी करो. Don't put off, do it right now. Don't put off, do it right now. Expression number 4, answer to the expression number 3 is मैं टाल नहीं रही हूँ. I'm not putting off. I'm not putting off. The next one, number 5 is काश वो दिन वापस आ जाए. काश वो दिन वापस आ जाए. In English it is I wish those days would come back. I wish those days would come back. Last but not least, number 6 is दरवाजे की कुंडी खोल दो. दरवाजे की कुंडी खोल दो. In English it is unlatch the door. Unlatch the door. And opposite of unlatch is latch. Latch the door, दरवाजे की कुंडी लगा दो. Unlatch the door, latch the door. Right, that's it for today's lesson and I think let's just end the video here. यहीं पे वीडियो को ख़त्म कर देना चाहिए. But please don't expect me to use Hindi in my regular videos because I won't be using it. क्योंकि one of the most important thing is जितना आप लोग इंग्लिश में इंडल्ज रहोगे, जितना ज़्यादा सुनोगे बोलोगे उतना ज़्यादा आपको इंग्लिश आएगी. तो मैं हिंदी की वीडियोस ऐसी ज़रूर बनाऊंगी जहाँ पे मैं आपको ट्रांसलेट करके बताऊंगी हिंदी के सेंटेंसेस इंग्लिश के अंदर. बट आप इंग्लिश ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुनिए क्योंकि आपको लर्न करना है. आपको हिंदी नहीं लर्न करनी है, आपको इंग्लिश लर्न करनी है. हिंदी आपको पहले से आती है. तो that's it I think and let's end the video here. If you like the video, hit the like button and do tell me in the comment section how was the video, and of course don't leave without subscribing my channel, and I'll meet you soon in some another video. Till then, bye.